This week, the headlines in tech and science sound like they were pulled straight from the pages of a sci-fi novel. We're talking about brain implants arriving in the UK, the colossal $10 billion military AI deal, a startup dedicated to fighting rogue algorithms, and a breathtaking discovery just beneath the surface of Mars. But the biggest jaw-dropper? What researchers have just uncovered, hidden deep within our own human DNA. Let's dive in and break it all down. First up, Elon Musk's Neuralink has officially crossed the pond. The company has just kicked off its first human trials in the United Kingdom, marking a monumental leap toward merging human biology with digital technology. Picture this: coin-sized implants, packed with over 1,000 tiny electrodes, connecting neural signals directly to computers. If these trials succeed, patients living with paralysis could soon be able to move a cursor, type messages, or even play video games, all just by thinking. We've already seen a US participant do exactly that, gaming completely hands-free using only his brain activity. This isn't just another innovation, it's the dawn of mind-machine communication on a global scale. Next, the US military has just made one of its most audacious technology moves in history, a $10 billion partnership with Palantir Technologies. Now, this isn't a single project. It's a massive umbrella agreement that combines over 70 smaller contracts into one unified AI framework. What's the goal? To supercharge battlefield decision-making with real-time intelligence and automation. What's really interesting is the deal structure. Palantir doesn't get paid unless their systems actually prove effective. The message is clear: earn your billions by performing. The arms race isn't on the horizon, it's already here, and the stakes have never been higher. Meanwhile, over in Israel, a startup called Noma Security has raised an impressive $100 million to combat the darker side of artificial intelligence. Their mission is a critical one: to defend our digital networks from what are known as autonomous agentic AIs. These are sophisticated programs capable of acting, learning, and even communicating with each other without any human oversight. Noma's team is stacked with veterans from Israel's elite cyber intelligence unit, and they're building systems to block threats like prompt injections, model manipulation, and the kinds of AI-driven breaches we haven't even conceived of yet. In short, they're redeveloping the digital immune systems we need for an era where the threats can think for themselves.
Now, let's blast off and leave Earth for a moment.
NASA's latest radar scans from Mars have revealed something extraordinary. Formations on the planet's surface that were once thought to be simple dusty ridges are actually massive glaciers made of water ice, and they are over 80% pure. Even better, these glaciers are located near Mars's equator, where solar energy is strongest and future landing sites are most practical. This ice could provide drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel for long-term missions. For the very first time, the idea of a sustainable human presence on Mars doesn't feel like a distant dream. It feels like a logistical challenge that's just waiting to be solved. Heading back to Earth, scientists at the University of Utah have made a truly remarkable discovery. It turns out that humans carry dormant DNA switches that control hibernation, the very same kind found in animals that sleep right through the winter. When these genes were tested in mice, the results were stunning. Researchers observed the reversal of symptoms related to diabetes and neurodegenerative conditions. Now, biotech firms are using AI to design molecules that can intentionally activate these hibernation pathways. This could potentially slow the aging process, regulate our metabolism, and even extend our lifespan. Just imagine a form of medicine that lets the body repair itself by, quite literally, powering down. And finally, a story that brings us right back down to Earth. SpaceX was on the verge of sending Crew 11 into orbit this week, until a single cloud brought everything to a screeching halt. With just 67 seconds left on the clock, the countdown was stopped due to what NASA calls a cloud rule violation. Despite nearly perfect weather, safety protocols leave absolutely no room for chance. It's a humbling reminder that for all of our incredible technological triumphs, brain chips, AI warfare, exploring Mars Mother Nature still holds the ultimate veto power. So, which of these stories blew your mind the most? Was it Neuralink's brain-computer interface, the hidden glaciers on Mars, or the US Army's massive gamble on AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the future, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Because if you thought this week was wild, just wait, next week is bound to be even crazier. Thanks for watching.